Camina, amigos, señores, camina,
This is a fiesta now. Having all these fireworks. They have fiestas all the time down on Mexico.
And this is your sound effects stage. Now we also refer to it in the business, it's called the Foley stage. It's named after its developer, Jack Foley of Universal, California. We had lunch yesterday, your name came up, he said to say hello. This is the kid's terrible. Comes to mind, there's some folks that think that all the sounds that they hear when they watch a film and TV show, they think that all these sounds are recorded live on the set, along with all the dialogue.
We are in the studio.
Actually, all these sounds are created on the sound stage, much like this one here. And then we add them in later after we edit the picture. Now sometimes I need to adjust the sounds a bit to make them fit. To do that, I run the sounds to what we call the audio sampler. This right here. But to help me demonstrate and to show you what it does, let me explain what's going to happen. I'm going to show you a video clip of King Kong. He's going to appear on the monitor. When he does, he'll open his mouth. When he opens his mouth, in the microphone, I want you to make a growl. Very mean, very ferocious. Watch the monitor. We're going to do this very quickly. Harv! Roll the monkey. Yeah, great. I love your work, really. This is great. No, it's perfect. I'm going to take your voice and put it back through the audio sampler. It's a lot like the paint box they have next door. Instead of pictures, this one works with sound. Harv, go ahead and roll this here. I'm going to add a little bass to your voice. Like you had lunch at a Hard Rock. Bingo. Just like downtown. Give this nice lady a hand. She did it wonderful. While you're here, I have another project. Come, give us a hand. Step right over here. If you would, make a left turn. Stay right over here. Right over here. Don't go away. I'm running a little late. Watch for snakes. I'll be right back. There we go. Now we're going to add in the dialogue. We're going to add in the dialogue. While you're shaking it, be very careful. I want you to howl like a coyote. Give us a practice real quick. Sometime today, lady. Give me a howl. Very good. Here is where you used to steer clear from. Hi. What's your name? Nice to meet you, Andy Miller. Andy Miller, you're going to play the sound of the wind. So when the cue light comes on, it's pretty obvious what happens here. You have to crank, you turn, you keep turning until the light goes off. Give me a practice turn real quick. Very good. That's great. That's like very obvious what happens here. When the cue light comes on, you start to shake that very gently. No, when it does come on. But let's rehearse right now. There you go. That's great. Great. Now, you're going to make some squeaking and creaking noises for me right now. So let me come around here. Watch this cue light. When this cue light comes on, the first sound you make into the microphone is a creak, like a creaky door opening up. Give me a creaky door sound. Not bad. Next time the light comes on, make me the sound of a squeaky floorboard. Give me a squeaky floorboard. Give me a squeak. Your voice is changing even as we speak. Come on over here. When you're done with that, watch this cue light. When it lights up, the armor rattles. So you grab this and shake your pilot jump. Go ahead, give us a practice. Oh, well, be obnoxious, really. That's great. This is going to be our kissing stunt double. Now, when your cue light comes on, Brenda, you're going to kiss and schmooze and kiss like you never kissed another before in your life. And I know what you're thinking. Bring on. Use the back of your hand. Like that. Give us a practice real quick. Oh, you've done this before. All right, very important. You should hear picture. Get ready with the howling. Trust me, it'll be the highlight of my day. Hard! Roll picture. Bingo, folks. I got picture. Stand by. I got sound. Speed coming at you. Action. Give me the wind and thunder. Go. Give me the howling. Loud.
Ready for a new game show pilot called a New York, San Francisco, Beach Boardwalk area, an exposition area, and we even have Hollywood. We'll pull over and we can do some shopping. What do you think? Take out those credit cards, just pass them to the back of the tram, and I promise to take care of it at a later date. Now on our left-hand side is Pennsylvania Station as it appeared in Strangers on a Train, directed by Alfred Hitchcock. On our right-hand side, coming in is traditional block party style as we celebrate St. Patty's Day. And Delancey, as I said, is one of our most popular locations, and that is because it is both residential and commercial. It makes ideal for filming and taping. On the corner of Delancey, we have John's Candy Store from West Side Story. The building on our right is the Humphrey School for Girls from Annie, starring Carol Burnett. On our left-hand side is 42nd Street as it appeared in Batteries Not Included, starring Jessica Tandy. Also on our left, the building with the green awning is Louis' Italian murderer and shoots him dead in a spaghetti dinner. I hope you can enjoy a spaghetti dinner here later today. If you go down the street to the left, you will enter San Francisco where you can experience droppings. I do not encourage you to try to determine which are real and which are not. Night Howard.
About my lover.
Yeah.
What has just over
you? Universal, listen to my
Hey everyone, take out your shades, put on the fingers, grab your surfboard suits. Read in 1953, and here it hosts our gorgeous stars from Florida, not all of them. They were there while sipping a chocolate. Our Brown Derby is a hat shop, but the original Brown Derby was a restaurant which he did successfully for many years. Now, the Brown Derby was known for bringing telephones to your table side, and popular people had lots of phone calls. Some people were not as popular as they wanted to be, so they would run out to a payphone and place a call to themselves. On our left-hand side, you can see Fred Flintstone, and they do best. Yabba dabba doo. On our right